Here's how you delete all your tweets using redact.dev. First, go to redact.dev and download the free desktop app for Windows or Mac. Install the app, open it, and create your free account. When you enter your email, Redact will send you a code to set up your account or log back in. None of your social media or deletion data is connected to your email address or to your Redact account. From here, you can select Find My Accounts, and Redact will scan supported browsers on your device for social media accounts. Everything runs locally on your device. Redact never sees your credentials directly. You can also click Add Account, search and select Twitter, then continue to connect. Your account information exists only on your device and is sent directly to Twitter, just like a saved login on a browser. Now you can choose what you want to delete. To delete all your tweets, select Tweets, then your target date range. To remove everything, leave the date range and filters blank and select Tweets. You can filter your deletion using the advanced form. Here you can target your deletion based on keywords, content types, and attachments, and even likes. You can apply these filters in the preservation settings to preserve specific content. Once you're done setting up filters, you're ready to start deleting. Or you can preview the deletion first to make sure you're not wiping anything that you want to keep. Click Start Deletion and keep the app running while redact.dev removes your tweets. If you have an extensive history of tweets, your deletion might be limited by X. You can wait and try again, or use your X data archive. We've included a link in the description that covers how to get your archive. Once you have it, just upload it under Import Data Package on the Easy form, or via the Delete from File tab in the Advanced form. The data package upload is a premium feature. You can check out other premium features on redact.dev.